Hi folks, and welcome back to video number 6 of my Rick's Pipe Dream Magnetic Motor Generator Project series. I would like to take a pause in my demonstrations to clarify my views concerning magnet pole naming. As my good friend Mart Hale pointed out in the comments section of video number 4, it may appear to most people that my magnets are labeled incorrectly. Mart pointed out that my compass north pointed to my north labeled magnets and said that the labeling must be wrong since like poles should repel rather than attract. I fully agree that like poles will repel, but I have always used what is referred to as the common sense approach to determining magnet poles and have rejected the method used by science and industry as incorrect. Now let me explain this. All magnets have two poles, of course, a north pole and a south pole. Our planet Earth also has a north and south pole. When a compass is used to determine direction, like this, the north pointer points to Earth's north pole. I think we can all agree on that, right? But wait a minute. Why does the north pointer point to Earth's north pole if like poles repel? Wouldn't this mean that the North Pole is really a South Pole? No, not at all. What actually occurs is that the compass uses a magnetized pointer with a South Pole as the North Pointer, and is thus attracted towards Earth's North Pole. In the case of this globe map of the Earth, the compass pointer is actually pointing to one of my rotor magnets, which I have placed beneath the map and aligned with the map's north pole. Let me show you. See how that works? The north rotor magnet was simply up beneath the map. And the compass points to it. It also will point to the north pole of the hard drive magnet. That is, if I swing it around here a little closer. Now, in early times, navigators often used a piece of natural magnetic material floating in a container of water on top of a buoyant material such as cork. The material was marked to correspond to north and south as it was known on land. And so when they went to sea and used the container of water with the magnet floating on the cork, it would point to north. And the side that faced north, when aligning itself with Earth's north pole, was called north facing. And now that did not disagree with the fact that the north-facing pole was actually a south pole. Later, when magnets began to be manufactured, the term north-facing was appropriately carried over. But along the way, somehow the term facing was dropped from north-facing and assumed to be commonly understood. So today, science and industry are using an improper pole naming convention and labeling magnets inversely to their natural alignment. And this is why I have long rejected this pole naming convention and instead used the common sense approach. Having explained this, though, I do understand that most people would find it confusing to set aside their learned understanding of magnet poles, and so to avoid any such confusion, I will relabel my magnets for future videos to comply with scientific and industry standards, even though they are incorrect. This, of course, will have no bearing on my magnet interactions, as the same things will happen that occurred in earlier videos. The magnets will still interact in attraction and repulsion, and only the pole names will have changed. I thank you for watching this explanation, and I hope that it proved to be interesting and informative to you. In my next video, I will show you my stator arm mechanism and demonstrate how that can be used in both stationary and moving modes. Until then, may the magnetic force be with you.